Hello, everybody. Welcome to these classes. What I'm going to do on these videos is to continue with the classes, okay? So I'm going to explain the theory. I'm going to explain the point of the lesson. What you have to do is to see the videos. You have to understand the things that we are seeing on the video. And if you have questions, if you don't understand anything, please let me know. Ask me your questions, okay? So it's important that you see the videos because you will have activities or homework sometimes, okay? So in this video, we are going to see the 6th point of the lesson, powers. Okay, so you don't need to copy this because you can access the videos anytime. Okay, so don't worry about that. Well, in this point in powers, everybody knows the powers. Okay, if we write a power using the letters, okay, we read this in English a to the power of n or a raised to the power of n or a to the nth power, okay? Well, in a power, this number is going to be the base, and this small number will be the exponent, okay? So a power means a product of the base so many times as the exponent indicates, okay? So this multiplication is done n times. What? So now I will show you the properties of powers. Okay, here you are the different properties. Well, I suppose that you remember these properties. If you don't remember, study the properties again, okay? Because they are very important for the lesson, okay? So look at the properties, and if you have any question, let me know. Well, so let's move on. I want to indicate an important property of powers, and this is when we have a negative exponent, okay? So if you don't remember very well, in case you have a negative exponent, this is equal to 1 over a, okay, this is the base, to the power of n. So now we write the exponent with a positive number, okay? In case you have a fraction, okay, a over v to the power of n, sorry, to the power of minus n, you can transform this fraction into a fraction with positive exponent, okay? All you have to do is to reverse numerator and denominator and write the exponent positive, okay? So that's the way to change a negative exponent into a positive exponent, okay? Well, so let's continue. Now, I'm going to explain some examples with powers, okay? So in these examples, we'll see different operations and how to manage with powers? Well, this example, 7 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 4 times 4, and in the denominator 2 to the power of minus 3 times 49. Okay, so what we have to do in this example is simplify, okay? Well, so if you take a look at the numbers, these numbers are 7, 2, and powers of the 2, the number 2. 4, okay, 4 is a power of 2, is a multiple of 2, and 49 is a power of 7. So the first step is to factorize, okay, factorize all the numbers, okay, factorize. So it means to express the numbers as powers of prime numbers. So we write 7 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 2, because this is 4, okay? And in the denominator, 2 to the power of minus 3 times, this is 3, sorry, times 7 to the power of 2, okay? So to simplify this, we need to operate the powers with the same base. Okay, so I write down, well, the 7, I can operate the 7 with this 7. So this is a fraction, so it's a division. 7 to the power of 2 divided by 7 to the power of 2. We subtract the exponents, okay, we subtract the exponents, and we get this. But how much is this? 7 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, so as this is 1, we can eliminate the number. Now, the number 2. Well, the number in the numerator we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 2. So we can multiply this, and in a multiplication we have to add the exponents when you have the same base. Okay, so 2 to the power of 6. And in the numerator, in the denominator is left 2 to the power of minus 3. Well, finally, to simplify this is a division, so you have to subtract the exponents. But be careful, because if you write the base 2 to the power, 2, now we write the 6. As this is a division, we subtract, but in the denominator there is a power with negative exponent, so be careful, because I have to change the sign, okay? So this subtraction is really an addition. So 2 to the power of 6 minus is plus, okay, positive 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. This is the final result of this operation. Okay. One important thing when we are operating with power is this. Let me write this. This example. Well, you can move the numbers in numerator or denominator to the other side of the fraction. And how are you going to move these numbers? Well, if you want to move the number, the power in the denominator to the numerator, you only have to change the sign of the exponent. So I write the numerator. So what I'm going to do is to move this power into the numerator. So this is the process. You have to change only the sign of the exponent. So what is left here? What is left? So we have eliminated everything, so there is left 1. So we can eliminate the denominator. The result is 2 to the power of, this is 7 plus 4, 11. Okay. It's important to leave the solution as powers. You don't need to calculate the number because there are usually big numbers when we are dealing with power. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.